Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make, that's right, cheesy Italian shells with extra cheese. And you're gonna need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, ground chuck rather. You're gonna need 1 pound of Italian sausage right here. And I got some Colby cheese. This is gonna be the extra cheese that I'm gonna use. You're gonna need some salt, some granulated garlic, some black pepper, and some granulated onion, followed by some milk, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1.5 cups of hot water, guys. Hot water, okay? So let's get right into it. I'll see you guys in a minute. So we're just gonna add our Italian sausage. This recipe calls for either ground beef or Italian sausage, but we're gonna use both today. All right. So let me go ahead and open this up and put this in here. But before we put this in here, we gotta season up our ground beef. So I'm just go ahead and take this paper off. We're gonna come in here with some salt. It's gonna be like a teaspoon, a teaspoon and a half of salt. Pink sea salt. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of a teaspoon of garlic. All right. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of black pepper, because you know I love that black pepper. All right, put that to the side. Granulated onion, we're gonna come with a teaspoon of that. All right, so now that we got that in there, we're just gonna mix this up in here and move this to the side, just like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our Italian sausage in here. I like to break mine up. And then we're gonna take you over there to the eye, and we're gonna get to cooking this stuff till it get brown, okay guys? And then we add our shells and all our other ingredients. All right, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, here we are at the stove. We're just gonna keep on stirring this up till it gets brown. If you get some fat in there, you're going to strain that out as well. And while this is going, I'm going to go ahead and shred me up some cheese. I'm probably use like 1/2 cup of cheese and put some on it when it gets done as well. I like a lot of meat in my stuff. You don't have to have all this meat, but I do love a lot of meat in mine. Cheesy Hamburger Italian shells with extra cheese. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this finish cooking up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. About ready. I'm gonna go ahead and strain this grease out of there. There ain't much in there, but I don't want no extra grease, period. So I'm gonna strain this, and I'm gonna start adding our ingredients. I did shred my cheese up. That's that right there. Colby. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I strained it. We're gonna put our shells in here. I forgot to tell you guys, this is a double box, okay? A double box. Throw lines in there like this. Get them mixed around, incorporate it real good. Now we're going to add our seasoning. 2 packages of those. This is my first time actually trying this, so I'm going to let you know how it tastes too. I'm quite sure it should be alright. Macaroni. I mean, not macaroni, but hamburger hacker. So we're going to stir this in here a little bit. Don't worry about the bottom and all that stuff, because you're going to put your water in there next. Like to get it mixed in here pretty good. Alright, let's get add the water and look. Right here's the water. And here's the milk. And what we're going to do here is let this stuff come to a boil again. And then I'm going to put this lid on here and let this stuff cook for about 15 minutes. Okay? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, my bad. Now, I told you a cup and a half. You're going to need 2 cups, okay? Of water and milk. So here's my other cup of that. You get another cup of milk in here. I'm sorry, I messed up on that one. I was wondering why it didn't look like it was full enough. I know y'all probably was thinking the same thing. This is a double box. I was looking at half a box. So okay, that looks a whole lot better. Sorry about that, guys. All right. We're gonna let this cook on simmer. I'll see you guys in a minute. Sorry, once again. Okay, fam, I'm back. We're gonna check on this. Stir it. This is about how I want mine. I know it looks like a lot of liquid in there, but you have to let it stand, meaning sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes. But before we do that, we're gonna add some cheese in there, half a cup of that. Turn it off, let that stand just like that for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm finally done with this cheesy Italian shells by Hamburger Hacker. And this is how that looks. Let me bring that up to you. You guys can see that. That's how that looks. And I went ahead and made me some toast, butter toast right here. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell right there. Hit this bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen. Much love to you guys.